Digital Annealer, transforming logistics and manufacturing. Introducing optimization of parts pickup operations. In this era of digital transformation, we need to solve complicated problems efficiently. For example, warehouse operations face many challenges such as the number and complexity of products handled continues to increase. Warehouses continue to grow in size, and the mounting challenge to find and keep skilled staff. Fujitsu Digital Annealer. Digital Annealer quantum-inspired technology solves complex combinatorial optimization problems quickly. Digital Annealer solves complex warehouse logistics problems. When picking up parts in a warehouse, simply register the locations of parts and shelves, and then easily find optimized routes, saving time. In addition, the priority of pickup can be set, as well as specific route restrictions such as one-way traffic. Digital Annealer can optimize the operation of large warehouses spanning multiple floors. At first, we use Digital Annealer to optimize parts pickup operations by providing optimal routes for workers collecting parts from shelves for each manufacturing run. Now we also use Digital Annealer to optimize the delivery of parts to the shelves. Our parts delivery operations span more than one floor, so we have optimized routes across and between floors. It is very helpful because Digital Annealer shows us optimized routes we had not considered before. The initial use of Digital Annealer inspired our employees to consider more ways to utilize the technology to optimize our processes. In fact, we have begun to optimize the entire production sequence of our products, which has led to a reduction in the time required to prepare a line introduction plan. We will continue to expand the use of Digital Annealer in the future. Digital Annealer solves a variety of problems. Digital Annealer is an integral part of digital transformation for logistics and manufacturing.